How to use 11 labs as a beginner. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open 11 labs in your browser in your computer. After that, you have to log in or sign up to your account. If you don't have any idea on how to sign up on 11 apps, then you can watch my previous video. After logging in, you'll be able to see this interface over here. So as you may know, 11 Labs is an app where you can convert the text to a speech of your choice. You can change the voice and voice setting, and you can even download the audio easily. So after logging in, you'll be able to see this interface, and here you can see the drop down sign, so you can simply click on it, and from here you can select the voice which you want. You can also add your voice over here by simply clicking on add voice option, and from there you can even add your voice. And here in the voice setting, you can see you can arrange the clarity, similarity and all. And here in the third box there is 11 monolingual v1, from where you can change the language of the voice. So you can change the text into any language. And so here you can see the text option where there is a big box. So here you can paste the paragraph or text which you want to convert. You can also click over here and type the text, and by typing it you can have to simply click on generate, and your speech will be generated. After generating, you can simply click on this download option which is in the right lower corner, from where your generated audio will be downloaded. And by following this simple step, you can use the 11 labs in your PC. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.